So you can see how small it is. Tiny thing. Okay, you think that's funny? The off button, down here, let me show you the off button. This thing here is also your release button. So look, watch. It's a 2-in-1. And your hose, okay, you gotta undo that. There you go. There's your hose, people. There is your hose. What is that? 2 feet? Yeah, maybe 2 feet. A foot. It's a joke.
This is how long the cord is for this vacuum cleaner. It does pick up very well. It's easy to use. Step on it and turn it on. Taking it apart because it stopped spinning. Stopped spinning because this thin belt pops off just from me moving it with my fingers. As you can see, that's what happens, and then the belt pops off. I was told that something's pulling on it and that it is normal for a belt to stretch after a month's use. Don't waste your money, not if you're going to have to continuously buy belts. And I don't have nasty carpet, so yeah.
I just opened box. Everything looks new, but this thing someone used it. So I am going to buy new one, so I was not expecting I'm getting used one.